Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Chana Chat Boat. Peel the cucumbers. Cut it into half. Scoop out the seeds portions. Boats is ready. Repeat the same procedure to make all the boats. All boats are ready. For stuffing, take overnight soaked in boiled black chickpeas. Add half cup boiled kala chana in a mixing bowl. Add half chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 small boiled potato diced cut. Add handful of chopped fresh cilantro. Add chopped green chilies as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Add pinch of dried mint optional. Add some chaat masala. Add half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Add some rock salt. Squeeze some lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it well. Boat Chana Chatpati stuffing is ready. It's time to fill the boats. Place the cucumber boats one by one on a serving dish. Fill the boats with prepared Chana Chaat. Sprinkle some bhujia on it. Garnish with mint leaves. Repeat same for the rest. Sprinkle some bhujia and cilantro. Garnish with mint leaves. The delicious and healthy Chana Chat boats are ready to eat. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.